Hi, boys and girls. I want to talk to you today about clouds. I'm going to read you a little book about clouds and where rain comes from and how it forms in a cloud. So take a look at my book.
Cloud collections. What are clouds made of? Water. They are made of millions of very tiny water droplets or bits of frozen water called ice crystals that float together in the sky. Clouds come in many different sizes and shapes. Here are the three main kinds. Number one is a cirrus cloud. Looks like a wispy white brushstrokes. Number two, the stratus clouds look like fuzzy gray blankets stretched across the sky. And number three are my favorite, cumulus clouds. They look like fluffy white balls of cotton. Drip, drop. Clouds bring the rain that all plants and animals need to live. Flowers and frogs, trees and tigers all need rain. Rain happens when the water droplets in the cloud bump into each other and stick together. When they become too heavy to float in the sky, they fall down to the earth as raindrops. Or when it's cold enough, clouds can bring snow. Snow starts out as ice crystals in the cloud. As the crystals fall through the sky, they stick together and they make snowflakes. That's the best.
Hi, boys and girls. It's a beautiful day out today. And I've been looking up in the sky and they have some beautiful puffy white clouds, those cumulus clouds we talked about. And I want to show you how we can make it rain. Now, if you remember, it rains when all the little droplets of water collect together and they form a cloud. And when the cloud can't hold it anymore, when there's too many water droplets, they start to fall and it rains. Or if it's very, very cold, it would snow, right? So let's do a little experiment. Ready? So here's what we're going to do. I have a container of water. I have a glass vase here with water. Okay? And then I have another cup of water. Let me do this so you guys can see better. Okay, so I have shaving cream and I have some food coloring and I have a glass of water. Okay, I'm going to put some blue watercolor into my water here. Okay, just so we can see when it rains. All right, and now I have some shaving cream. And I'm going to make a cloud out of my shaving cream. Oh, I hope I have enough shaving cream. Okay, we're going to make a nice, big, puffy cloud. All right, what do you think? So there's my cloud. Now, what happens is, if we remember what the book said, when all the water sticks to the particles and the dust in the air, and they all stick together, it starts to form a cloud. And when the cloud can't hold any more water, it starts to rain. So this is going to be all the little particles, right? Check it out. I'm going to make it rain. I'm going to make all the little water droplets that stick together. And when the cloud gets too heavy, oh boy, can you see it? Let me see if you can see. I might have to turn this around for you. When it gets too heavy, you're going to see it start to rain. Let me see. Do you see that it's starting to sit up at the top, at the bottom of the cloud? It's going to be so heavy that you're going to see the water droplets start to fall. Okay, it still could hold more. This cloud is pretty big. It can hold a lot of water droplets. Look how cool. Oh, it's going to start to happen. I wonder if, can you see this? Look at all the water that's starting to fall from the cloud because it's getting too heavy. You can't hold it anymore. Check it out. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see the water particles trying to fall down. Do you see them suspended in there? Let's check it out. Look how cool. I made a big cloud. It could hold a lot of water. Okay, it's starting to come down. Look at it dripping here. I'm turning, and it's not turning, it's staying. Can you see it? Maybe I should do this outside. I think I will do it outside. Look at that. I'm noticing that once it sits there for a little while, you start to see droplets fall slowly. Pretty cool. That's a fun little experiment you can do at home. You just need shaving cream, water, you can use food coloring if you don't have watercolors, and a little dropper. So you can try that and you can make it rain in a jar. Have a great day, friends.